Hi, this is a simple Arduino Uno board. Here 5 LEDs of different color. This is a breadboard and the wires attached to it. This whole are in series and they are attached to the ground, which is in black color. These are 5 resistors of resistance 220 ohms, which are connected to different terminals of the board. This is the initial setup where we tell the board that the output will be given or the power is supplied to these all terminals which are connected here. And this is the loop, which is the body part, and first the red LED will be high for the first second, that is for 1 second it will be on, and then it will go low. You see that I haven't mentioned any timing for how long. This means that it will be off for that whole coding. So let me just start the simulation. See that this red one glows, then green, then blue, then white, and finally this orange, and then it will reverse white, blue, green. The simple code will be that the second time, that is the red will glow, then it will go off, then see that the green LED will be off for the first second, and then it will go high, then again it will low for indefinite period of time, then again this will be repeated. And when we reach, this is the first terminal, you see that is this orange one. After it goes low, I will write the code for the white to go high, that is for the first 1 second, and then it will go for indefinitely, and then repeat it will go back, and that's the simple.